Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows security blank screen on Windows 11. So as initial step, you can go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to Windows update, and if you pause your updates you can resume it, or you can, if you see check for update button, just tap on to download latest updates. Once it is done, you can close this one and again go to search bar, search for run and tap on the run application. In here you need to type services.mac like this, then after tap on OK. In this menu you have to find security center. Scroll down and find it. You can see it is right here. Right click on it. If you able to tap on restart option, just restart it, and if you can't, if it is inactive, you can tap on refresh option. So it will be refresh the security center. Close this one and again go to start menu, go to setting, tap on apps option and tap on apps and features. Scroll down and go to Windows security. Okay, here it is. Just tap on three dots and tap on advanced options. So scroll down. First you need to terminate that application, then after tap on repair to repair that, finally reset. So once it is done, you can close this one. Again you need to come to search bar, search for cmd, tap on command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In this time you need to run each command one by one. There are several commands in here. You can note down these commands and you have to run each command to delete corrupted registry entries related to Windows security. Once it is done, you can restart your computer. Then it will be reinstall the fixed files. Then after you can open your browser like this. Then after type security health setup and hit enter. So you can see there is a Microsoft Community Hub option. Windows security won't open. Tap on it. Okay, once it is open, you can scroll down little bit. You can see there is a option security health setups.zip. There is 8.8 megabyte. You can download it and then after you can install it on your computer. This will reinstall Windows security. Then after you can restart your computer. Once it is done, again go to search bar, search for run, tap on run application, type regedit, regedit, tap on enter.